Yes.
Lordship, I can see the annexure A.
Yes.
It is on 3/8/2017.
Yes.
They have invited the applications from the eligible candidates for the following posts. That is engineers.
Yes.
Then your lordship, you can see annexure D, my lord, at page, just a page. Annexure D,
Hmm.
dated 19/11/25, page 73.
Yes.
That is the timetable for the examination.
Yes.
Then page 74 is the relevant page,
Yes.
wherein that Suchanagalu directions.
Yes.
Where in class 6, your lordship, may kindly see,
Hmm.
ಋಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನವಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
Hmm.
ಪ್ರತಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ 1/3 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿತಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು.
Hmm.
1/3 means your lordship can see if 3 answers were wrongly made, then 1 mark should be deducted. But here your lordship can see that he has not deducted 1/3. 0.33 was deducted. Your lordship can see annexure G, page 78, and the petitioner's marks and serial number 47, page 79, my lord.
Hmm.
Praveen KP, the petitioner herein.
Hmm. Page
His-
number.
his marks is-
Serial number.
Serial number 47, page 79.
Hmm.
He got the marks 61.006.
Hmm.
Here your lordship will see he done a mistake of 18 marks, 18 questions.
Hmm.
Then your lordship will see it should be divided by 6. 6 marks has to be deducted.
Hmm.
He has not deducted the 6 marks. Only 5.999 something is deducted. Because of this reason, my lord, he lost the job. 61 comes, then he will stood in the selection list.
60.
61. If the 61 comes, then your lordship can see the.
No, he is scored 61.006.
ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Your lordship can see even
No, you, no, that, what is your name?
KP Praveen.
Huh.
Your lordship can see the.
No, you say that you are scored only 61.
61.
Hmm.
That they have mentioned that 61.006.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 61 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್.
Hmm.
61.006 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಆ ತರ ಇದೆ. Your lordship can see the example.
Hmm.
Your lordship can see the memo. How on the other one of the candidates not the, not see the 61.004. Your lordship will see
Hmm.
the second page, page 3. Total valid questions 100.
Hmm.
Total correct answers 67.
Hmm.
Total wrong answers 18.
Hmm.
This attended answer is 15, not attended.
Hmm.
Then 18 means your lordship will say 6.
Hmm.
6 is divided, then 61 comes. Then here your lordship can see even the general annexure H, your lordship can see page 105.
Yes.
Here your lordship can see annexure H, page 105.
Hmm.
First sheet, 100 marks, score 34.667.
Hmm.
Here only your lordship can see he committed 2 mistakes. 333 and 334
No, I
calculated.
am asking that,
Yes, sir.
why you are not selected because you have scored more? That is-
Others got increasing marks. 51.61.004 one person was got.
Hmm.
Even that was deducted, only 61 he will get. If 61 will get, he will comes under the general category. He will get that post.
No, that to whom you, see, for you, you have no objection for granting. Or you are saying that, see, if it is 61, now you are in which serial number, say, this thing, in ranking list?
No, ranking list is not announced. Final score list was not announced.
Now that how it will be affected, I didn't
No,
understand.
you lordship can see, that is the calculation made. Even annexure H ಅವರು
Calculation ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದು 61.006 ಬರೋದು 61 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. 6 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 61.006 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 61 ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನ ಕಡಿಮೆನಾ ಅದು?
ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಮತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ he got 61.004. ಅವನು 61 ಬಂದ್ರೆ he will be selected ದಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಇವನು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲ your lordship against the annexure H by lot earlier
Take notice, let us, yes.
final score list, earlier score list that is dated 12/6/24. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ first one 34.667. Here your lordship against.
Notice, yes. Ajay is directed to take notice for respondent number 1. NK Ramesh is directed to take notice for respondent number 2.
Karnataka Examination
Sir
Authority.
is directed to, sir, one set of copies and respect accounts. Yes, let us see.
For order serial number 14.
Short date may be given, I will serve the
Copy
person.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು main matter reserve ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು still they have not, yes.
Please.
Serial number 14, Satish K for petitioner, connected matter, Raghavendra